We've been talking about digital currency for a long time. Recently President Xi Jinping has mentioned blockchain technology to be a hot topic. It heralds the integration of blockchain technology into new technological innovation and industrial transformations. China's central bank may be the first to launch its own digital currency, DCEP. First, we need to understand what a digital currency is. Digital currency is an unregulated digital currency, usually distributed and managed by developers, received and used by members of a specific virtual community. The European Banking Authority defines virtual currency as a digital form of value. It's not being issued by the central bank or the authorities. It has nothing to do with legal tender, but it's accepted by the public. Therefore, it can be used as a payment method, electronically transfer, store and trade. So what about the electronic currency that the China's central bank is about to launch? The full name of DCEP in English is Digital Currency Electronic Payment. DCEP is positioned the same as the renminbi. The RMB is only expressed in the form of digital currency. It's a new cryptocurrency system based on blockchain technology. DCEP, low transaction costs, fast transaction, high anonymous, make the transaction link less dependent on your account. It's also good for the circulation and internationalization of the renminbi. It's different from the basket of currencies of Libra. DCEP is directly linked to the renminbi. DCEP does not require an account to realize value transfer. No need to have a network. You just install the DCEP digital wallet on your phone. You can get value transfer by touching each other. And it has unlimited compensation. No matter how much they are paid, they cannot refuse to accept. DCEP will have a dual-tier operating system. So China's central bank is going to convert DCEP to the normal bank or other financial institutions, and then they are exchanged to the public by these institutions. China's central bank credit guarantee to launch the central bank digital currency and digital renminbi. This digital renminbi, it doesn't have the risk of commercial banking or business failure. The direct issuance of assets by the central bank is highly secure. China's central bank set up a digital currency research group as early as 2014. Digital Currency Research Institute was established in 2016. Shenzhen Financial Technology Co., Limited was established in 2018. Ye Gang, the president of the People's Bank of China, said in 2019. The central bank's digital currency will replace part of the cash. China's development of digital currency has strategic considerations. It's part of the internationalization of the renminbi. It's a new attempt by the People's Bank of China in the new situation. It would challenge the dollar hegemony to a certain extent, which will have a huge impact on international finance. It will usher in a new turning point, as an opportunity, also a challenge. The RMB, from the earliest notes to the current electronic payments, then digital. At some point in the future, banknotes is also withdrawn from the historical stage. It might even go away. If that's the case, then you will save more banknotes. Maybe it will become an antique in the future. Friend, are you ready?